Hey YouTube, Tech Intimidation. Here's a really quick tip on how to delete your entire iPhone music library in one swipe. Here we go. Go into Settings, scroll down to General, scroll down to Storage and iCloud Usage, click on Manage Storage, and then in the list, find Music. For me, it's right at the top of the list. At the very top where it says All Songs and then the amount of space used, swipe left from right to left and click the delete key. There we go. It froze up for about 10 seconds for me while it deleted those music files, but after 10 seconds it jumped back to the previous menu and now it shows music with no data. Thanks for watching.